Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Google Chrome virus can fail it. This is a problem. Then step by step for to solve this problem. Okay. Then first step for check the internet connection. You will check the first of all internet connection for connect or not connect. You will first of all you will check the you using for the Wi-Fi and wireless any device to you will check then to fix this problem. Okay. Then this is already is connected to you will connect to the next step. Okay, then second step for change the security in Chrome. Then get to open the Chrome browser, then click to the settings. You will click to the privacy and security. You will see the standard protection. You will click to enable. Okay, enable to check this error. For not fix it, you will come to the next steps. Okay, then third step for clear the data in Google Chrome. You will get see the privacy and security, then go back to you will see the clear browsing data. Then you will set it the all data you will enable to you will click to the clear data. Then always this is the all data for deleted, then you will return you will get login to check this error for maximum device fix it but not fix it to you will come to the next steps. Okay, then fourth step for check the updates. Then Google Chrome anyone update pending to you will get the updates. Okay. Then fifth step for reinstall the Chrome. Then this is the any methods for not solved to this four methods for not solved to you will get update the your Windows. After this any one method to not responding to you will get uninstall the old Google Chrome version. After you will reinstall the new version for the Google Chrome. Okay, after check this error for maximum device fix it, then anyone doubt to pin the comment, then thank you for watching.